This Tramontina Porcelain Enamel non-stick 3-pack is a great addition to any kitchen. The set includes 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch frying pans. These pans boast a reinforced non-stick coating. This feature ensures food slides off easily. Therefore, cooking becomes a breeze. Cleaning up is also simple. You will spend less time scrubbing after meals. The teal color adds a pop of brightness to your stovetop. The Tramontina Porcelain Enamel non-stick 3-pack is also very versatile. These skillets are dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup even more convenient. They are also oven safe up to a certain temperature. This allows you to start cooking on the stovetop. Then, you can easily transfer the pan to the oven to finish your dish. The porcelain enamel exterior is durable. It can withstand daily use in a busy kitchen. The bottoms of the pans are designed for even heat distribution. This helps prevent hot spots, so your food cooks evenly and perfectly every time. If you are looking for reliable non-stick pans, the Tramontina Porcelain Enamel non-stick 3-pack is a solid choice. The reinforced non-stick surface truly works. Eggs and delicate fish cook without sticking. Plus, the variety of sizes handles different cooking tasks. From frying a single egg to cooking a family-sized meal, this set has you covered. The teal color is attractive, and the pans feel sturdy. For the price, this Tramontina Porcelain Enamel non-stick 3-pack offers excellent value and performance. It makes cooking easier and cleanup faster. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: simple cleanup, dishwasher safe, oven safe, 3 sizes included, durable material, stylish. Teal color, even heating, lightweight pans. Cons: outer coating can burn, scratches easily, bottom can get marks, not always non-stick, may smell of chemicals, shipping can cause damage, warranty has limitations, discolors with use. Features: 3-pack skillet set, non-stick coating, porcelain enamel, reinforced non-stick, dishwasher safe, oven safe, to 350 degrees F. Teal color 8, 10, 12-inch sizes, easy food release, simple cleanup. This Tramontina 3-pack skillet set comes with 8, 10, and 12-inch frying pans in a teal color. They have a reinforced non-stick coating and a porcelain enamel exterior. Food will not stick easily, and cleaning up is simple. These pans are safe to put in the dishwasher and can also be used in the oven up to 350 degrees F. This Tramontina frying pan set comes with 3 non-stick pans in different sizes and a stylish teal color. They are easy to clean and safe to put in the dishwasher and oven. The pans heat food evenly and are made of durable but lightweight material. However, the outer coating can burn, and the pans may scratch or get marks on the bottom. Some users have reported that they are not always non-stick and can sometimes smell like chemicals. There's also a possibility of damage during shipping, and the warranty has some limits. The color of the pans might also fade over time.